What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I want to give you 3 specific tips that you can use to potentially make more travel affiliate sales, plus a bonus one towards the end of this video, which in my experience can also be very powerful. So I have been involved in travel and affiliate marketing in travel for many years. I've made a lot of sales in that. Here's actually some of the stats on that for this month, and there's actually a few others over here, and I have a pretty wide array of experience when it comes to that. So let me just share with you these tips that have helped me get these results that are still growing. So the first one is target specific search engines where travel is very popular. Now, 2 in particular that I think happen to have the most potential when it comes to getting travel affiliate sales are YouTube and Pinterest. So target those search engines. You should still have your website. Like if you're trying to get more Pinterest stuff, you should be linking back to your website where you make the travel affiliate sales. But the conduit, Pinterest itself, is an excellent search engine. Travel is huge when it comes to that. And YouTube is an excellent search engine as well for kind of just sharing popular locations, things to do. It's an excellent source for creating shorts videos and long form videos about touring different places. You will find a lot of travel content on YouTube, and there's always room and demand for more new, fresh content there. Tip number 2 is to sign up with affiliate programs that make your life a lot easier when it comes to making travel affiliate sales. Now, I have 2 in particular that I've been doing business with for a couple of months. They're free to sign up with, and they are awesome. The first one is Stay22, and the second one is Travel Payouts. Now, both of these affiliate networks have a combination of things that really, in my opinion, make it very feasible for you to sign up with. The first one is obviously they're free to sign up with. The second thing is they both have AI tools which promote major travel companies that people book with every single day on this earth. And so with Stay22, for example, once you sign up with them, they'll give you a code which you'll put on your website, and then their AI tool will actually start to promote relevant affiliate offers, hotel bookings for whatever content that you're promoting. And literally every single travel affiliate sale that I've made in Stay22 has come from the AI program. I would not have been able to make those sales were it not for the AI tool there. With Travel Payouts, it's a hybrid of that. They do have their own AI tool, kind of Stay22, but they do also have the ability to make manual affiliate links, and you can promote TripAdvisor, Booking.com, Expedia, I believe. There's just a lot of opportunity there. So I recommend these programs, and I'll leave all the resources below this video so you can sign up with them and check them out if you want to. The third tip that I have is to target search, to create search intent content. So the thing to understand about travel is that yes, there's a plethora of different places that you can talk about that are popular. The Bahamas, the Amalfi Coast, the California coast, a specific city in the country or in the world that people love to visit. But those particular search terms, which are very popular that people look through in Pinterest as keywords, or YouTube, or in Google, it doesn't matter. What matters is that it depends on what kind of keyword people are looking for in travel, and the more search intent that it has, the more the potential that you can make more sales with that. Now, what do I mean by that? So if we take this example over here where I have an article whose title is 10 Incredible Things to Do in Lake George, New York, a non-search intent keyword would be Lake George, New York. It's just a popular spot, and people who typed it into different search engines probably they're looking for a combination of things. Maybe pictures. Maybe they are looking to go there and check something out. Maybe they're looking to, I don't know, research it or something. But there's not really any kind of buyer intent. On the other hand, if I target something like things to do in Lake George, New York, or best hotels in Lake George, New York, if someone is typing that into a search engine like Pinterest, for example, or perhaps YouTube or other search engines out there, there's a very good chance that the search intent of that keyword is more consumer based, because if a person is typing in things to do in Lake George, New York, there's a strong chance that they're looking to visit and do stuff. So I can promote more relevant travel offers, more specialty tours, boats, hotels, things of that sort. So create content like things to do in a popular location. That's really the main tip. Or best hotels in a very popular spot. You're more likely to get, you're going to get less search traffic there, but it's going to be much more specific and search intended, which can potentially get you more money out of that. Now, the last bonus tip that I have to share with you is just to start filming. Film on your phone, whether you're on a vacation, whether you're driving somewhere, whether you're exploring new areas. Film these things. Create short little videos, share them on YouTube as YouTube Shorts, take pictures, share them, make them as pins on your Pinterest account. Start doing that, because your phone can be one of the most greatest assets when it comes to content creation, when it comes to YouTube and Pinterest, which can be great travel conduits or growing your travel business that way. So start doing that. I can't tell you how many pictures and videos I have from my personal travels out there that I've shared on YouTube, that I've shared on Facebook or Pinterest stuff. Not so much Pinterest, but I've shared a lot of pictures of my travels in Pinterest, but I've shared a lot of my videos in Facebook. But the more you do that, the less thinking you have to do about, oh, what other content should I post on these channels? So start doing more of that. That can really help you out a lot as well. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions, let me know. But as usual, I will see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.